Welcome to the new EF Premium Online Class Look, the EVC. We have revamped how our classes look to make your child's English learning experience even better. And you know what's even better than the new EVC? These EFB9 highlights. Welcome to episode 15 of EFB9 Highlights, where we tell you what's been happening at EF Bintaro Sector 9 for the past week. That's a mouthful. Let's start with some life clubs. This week, I led a life club together with my sister, Miss Jenna, to create a homemade stylus by request from one of our students. And it turns out it was quite popular. We started off by introducing the required materials and got to building. The materials used were materials easily found around the house, but putting it together wasn't so easy, well, at least for me. After a few teardowns, Miss Jenna and myself both had different versions of the pen, one using tin foil and the other using wire. After a dab of water, or a full spill of it, it was time to test them out. And to our surprise, they actually worked. We created other versions of the homemade stylus pens just in case some of the students had trouble with theirs. But apparently everyone's pen worked. Great to hear, happy drawing everybody. Next up, it was meme creation time with Mr. Max and Mr. Aru. And when it comes to poking fun at things, kids were super eager to join. Mr. Aru and Mr. Max shared some of their favorite memes and the basic understanding behind the templates of memes. And of course, they just had to choose the teacher-related memes, which of course Mr. Aru seemed a bit too happy about. After the jokes were done, they got to create a meme starting with the sad Google search meme. And of course, in the middle of it, Yuki just had to create her own meme, showing what students usually do to erasers with their pencils when they're bored. Then all the students started sharing their own funny memes. I can't wait to laugh through all of your creative and funny memes on Discord. On Saturday, we also had two really fun live clubs, starting with Roblox gaming, where we tried to play a zombie-themed game, but it was way too complicated, so we ended up watching each other's streams via Discord to see what was going on. But later in the afternoon, we had a super fun anime watching session, again on Discord, watching Detective Conan. If you're not yet on our Discord, I want to invite you to join us by contacting your progress advisor for the link. We talk about things like memes, anime, Roblox, gaming, just a lot of fun stuff. Anyways, let's check out some fun classroom moments with Classroom Time. It was my turn in the classroom and I had the privilege of taking Miss Malta's SS3 class on a tour of my house. They were learning about the different house areas and their unique furniture in each area of the house. They learned new words like balcony, workshop, and garage, spaces not every house had. We then ended the tour with a goodbye song dance, and I tried to follow along, but I'm not going to share that here. Next up, it was drawing time for Mr. Very's SS4 class. And what better object to draw than penguins with glasses? Yes, you heard me right. Students were happy to follow Mr. Very's instructions as he showed them how to draw the penguin using shapes. And here there's one shape that troubled Mr. Very a lot, which was the straight line. One student actually made 4 of the same drawings in the time Mr. Very spent on one straight line. But once he got that out of the way, it was time to complete the rest of the penguin. Gosh, that penguin has more style than me. Now it's time to celebrate the achievements of our students with Achievement Ceremonies of the Week. Miss Malta's FR8, Miss Ika's FR12, Mr. Max's TB4, Miss Dina's TB6. Don't forget to join our weekly activities. On Saturdays we have biking and Roblox, we have Monday live clubs, and also we have our Mobile Legends gaming session. Well, that is all the time we have for this week's episode of EFB9 Highlights. Join us again next week to see the brightest stars and the ambient stars of the month. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one.